In this video, I'll show you how to change the clock face of your Fitbit Charge 5. Open the app, and the first thing you'll have to do is to click on your profile picture on the top left corner here. Okay. Now you have to select your Fitbit Charge 5. It's right here. Click on it. And now select Clock Faces. Okay. There's a check mark on the clock face that is pre-installed with your Fitbit. To select another one, let's say I want this one, just tap on it, and then you'll have to tap the install button. Here it's showing that it's loading up. And after a few seconds, I felt it vibrating on my wrist. It will show on your Fitbit that it's actually installing the new clock face. When it's done, you'll have a check mark. Et voila! This is how you install a new clock face on your Fitbit Charge 5. I hope this was helpful. Please leave a comment if you have any other suggestions, or, just give a like and subscribe. It's always helpful.